Welcome back to the Keto Bistro Weigh-In Wednesday. This is the end of week 12. Basically, I've been on the keto diet for 3 months. Here's my progression chart for weight loss. You can see this chart starts around 205, and after 12 weeks, around 185, 180. So you're looking at 20 to 25 pounds weight loss. I was shooting for 30 pounds. I started at 218. So let's see what I made it to. I wanted to go to 188. 189. I didn't quite make it, but almost. So I'm very, very happy with it. More than 29 pounds. This is what 5 pounds of fat looks like. So I almost lost 6 of these. That's a lot of fat. So what do I like most, and how has my body changed? Well, the first thing that you'll notice is the keto face. This is before. So this picture was taken a year ago. Of course, I was only on keto for 3 months, but this is basically my fat, puffy, non-keto face. And after 3 months, big difference in the face. I have makeup and my hair was fixed in this picture. The other one, it was not. So goodbye to me after 3 months. Major difference in the face and health benefits. So one of the biggest advantage of keto feeling better is blood pressure. So this is 3 weeks after being on keto. For the majority, I've been in ketosis, maybe not the last couple of days, but for the majority of the 3 months. I went to the doctor within the first week of being on the keto diet for my annual checkup. Blood pressure was extremely high. She wanted to put me on blood pressure medication. I told her I just started this diet and I would like to try to maintain with my diet. So she allowed me to come back in 4 weeks for a follow-up. If I would track it 4 times a day and write down my blood pressure, I actually saw a drastic difference in a couple of weeks. When I went in, my blood pressure was 159 over 99. And so you can see what it is. So I'm rarely over 120, over 78. So this is after 3 months blood pressure. This is pretty much a normal range for me. So great benefits only after 12 weeks. I highly recommend. You will not be sorry that you started the keto diet. Another benefit is just being more active. So I'm more active with my kids. I do not have as much joint pain, and so I'm starting to bite just a little bit.
Good, I'm recording.
Okay.
If anybody wants to stick their hand up and wave.
What was the most fun about the trail?
I know, going down the hill.
Going down the hill?
Yeah,
What
yeah.
about the turtle?
Yeah, my favorite part.
The butterflies?
And the bridge.
The butterfly tried to attack me.
I guess that means you're special.
A bad butterfly.
Tell everybody bye.
Bye.
She sounds like she's out of breath.
So overall benefits, of course, appearance, health with blood pressure, joints, being more active. It took about 6 weeks for my body to adjust to become more energetic overall. You will not regret it. Stick to it. The first 6 weeks are a little bit tough. After that, it's not so hard, and the food is really great. I have not felt like I've been dieting too much. I still eat around 1,700 calories. If you haven't started, you will thank me and yourself if you start. I'm going to take a break from it and do carb cycling for a week. I've already started it for a couple of days and see how that goes. And then I'm going to get right back on it. So I'm going to start posting weigh-ins every month after that. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and follow for updates. Thanks for watching.